Today I'll be showing the recipe of cheese paratha, which will be liked by children as well as adults. For making this yummy recipe, we need here 1 cup of wheat flour. Add into it half cup of plain flour maida. Add salt as per taste. Now add 1 tablespoon oil. To make a dough, I am using here 1/4 cup of milk. If you want, you could use water. Simultaneously add boiled potato to it, which I have taken a grated one. Here I am sharing with you one tip. If you want potatoes to get quickly boiled, peel its skin, cut the potato on the desired shape you want and boil the potatoes. It will get done within few minutes. No need to pressure cook it. Then add a little bit of red chili powder, approximately 1/4 teaspoon. Then add 1.5 teaspoon amchur powder. If you want, you could add green chilies or black pepper powder as well. But if kids are eating these parathas, avoid green chilies. And mix all these things well and make a dough. Use milk or water. Don't pour it all together. Use gradually. Then keep it aside for 10 minutes. While it's resting here, prepare its stuffing. Here I have taken a mozzarella cheese. Add pinch of salt into it. Then add 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. Add few coriander leaves and mix it well. Here I will show you two methods to stuff parathas. Whichever you like, use that method. Roll the dough and make a small roti and stuff the cheese in the center of it and seal it properly as shown in the video. Roll it again, but not very thin. Then roast these parathas same as you roast rotis. Apply ghee or butter to it. Now see the another method. Firstly, roll the dough and make a roti. Then give a cut from the center. Then spread the stuffing evenly on the paratha. Then fold it as shown in the video. Make sure you seal its edges perfectly. Then press it gently with the hand and roll it again. Roast it as you roast the rotis. Now it's done and ready. Serve it hot so you can bite it into a melted cheese. So go ahead and make this cheesy paratha and indulge in some cheesy goodness. Do leave your feedback here. See you next time.